On August 18, 2025, Lieutenant General Ram Chander Tiwari, the General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Eastern Command of the Indian Army, along with other senior officers of the Assam Rifles, met with the Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha at the Tripura Film and Television Institute in Agartala to discuss on various issues concerning Tripura. Today, Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Eastern Command, met with Tripura officials at TIFT to discuss several key issues concerning the state. Senior officers of the Assam Rifles were also present during the meeting. The discussions focused on Tripura's development, border security, modernization, and other important administrative matters. State officials exchanged views with the senior military leaders on challenges faced by the region and potential solutions. The meeting also highlighted the need for coordination between military and civil authorities to ensure the safety of the border areas and the well-being of local communities in Tripura. In essence, the meeting was a high-level strategic dialogue aimed at aligning the efforts of the military and the state government to promote development, enhance security, and ensure the prosperity of Tripura. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.